kay Nonito Donaire. Ano sa tingin niyo, sir, malaki may tutulong niya for mga kabataan natin? How will he motivate and inspire yung mga tao natin? Now that na-meet po ninyo siya personally.
Yeah, I think he will inspire our young people, our youngsters, because I could see that in Nonito, he has a good life, clean living. He doesn't gamble, he doesn't drink, and he's devoted to his. I don't believe so, because your athletes must be focused and must be concentrated on their physical fitness. And when you enter politics, or in the movies, your tendency is to forget about your consciousness, about your physical condition. So I believe that any athlete, before they enter the politics of the movies, they should first they'll do that only after they retire.
Yung, sir, involvement po ng government sa sports, can we say po ba na right now we're having some success sa sports, but can you say na dapat talaga anong klaseng pansin ang dapat ibigay ng government sa sports po sa atin?
I think the government should not put politics among our athletes. Especially, the government should appoint people who are not politicians, but who are really, their heart and mind is for our athletes and not for the sports.